This is BirdNote. The red-headed woodpecker spends its summers in farmyards, open woodlands, and treed suburbs, snatching insects from midair in flashy acrobatic flight. Bugs are harder to come by in the winter, of course, so this type of woodpecker moves south, but not always. When autumn sees a bumper crop of acorns, beechnuts, and other large seeds, the birds stock up and linger in the north to feed through the winter. Not all woodpeckers are efficient food hoarders. The anthropologist George A. Dorsey once watched a young red-headed woodpecker stuffing acorns into a hole in a telephone pole. What that bird hadn't noticed was that the hole went all the way through to the other side of the pole, where the acorns he'd just stashed proceeded to tumble to the ground. No word on whether that red-headed woodpecker stayed through the winter or found his cupboards shockingly empty and decided to migrate south. For BirdNote, I'm Michael Stein. We have an all-new website. Check out birdnote.org, where you can find past shows, photos, videos, and more.